Hello and welcome to yet another video by LongShot AI. Now in this video, we'll be looking at LongShot's fact sheet feature. But before that, why are facts even important for your blog? Now for starters, putting in relevant facts in your blog makes your content interesting. It makes it informative, which helps build your blog's reputation. Moreover, it helps support an argument and builds credibility. And everyone loves a blog that provides accurate information. Search engines love it, your users love it, so why not put them? So in this video, we'll be looking at LongShot's fact sheet feature, which helps you put in facts in your content. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So as you can see, we are on the LongShot blog wizard, and the very first step is the research step. So you have to put in the topic over here. So let's put gaming PC. So this is the advanced search. We can ignore this bit. So let's search. Meanwhile, as you can see, we have the keywords, subheadlines, questions, and fact sheets. So they will all appear over here. And as the name suggests, fact sheets are just a sheet of facts. So these are all the facts related to our main keyword, our main topic. And the other research parameters available over here. You have the average number of H tags, average word count, and flesh can kid score on the bottom right of your screen. So this data is for the top 20 ranking blogs on the search engine for the same topic. Give it some time, any moment now. Okay, as you can see, we are over here. These are our related keywords, popular subheadlines, top questions, fact sheets. Now it's a very extensive list of facts which are available. You can choose the same. Let's say let's choose this one. Okay, and if you wish to see, if you wish to confirm the fact, you can click on the link over here. This fact is available on the Tech Radar blog. And similarly, if you look at other factual thing, like you can come over here. This is from Dell Technologies. You can even link your content to the same. Similarly, you can choose this fact. You have the link over here. You can verify. A good practice is choosing like 4 or 5 facts just to let the AI know the context of what you're trying to write. And similarly, for this video, let me just choose some keywords randomly and proceed to the next step. Okay, so this is for the content. As you can see, your fact sheet available over here. These are the questions, subheadlines, and the keywords. So let's choose a descriptive type of headline. And I'm not even looking. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna select. You can see the fact sheet feature in the research section, and you can also see it in the editor section. So let me just choose it randomly. It is a gaming niche topic. So let's choose gaming as our niche. As the AI prepares to go to the editor, we are over here. Okay. Now I won't be filling these details. Let me just take you to the top right hand section. This is the general section. Let's go to the research, and you can see the facts over here. Now a good practice is, like, if you wish to include any of these facts in your content, what you can do is you can copy and you can paste the same. And if you wish to link, you can find your link over here. You can hover over the icon and lead you to the website. So these facts are all available from very reliable websites. So these are not just any random facts. These are from very high domain authority websites. You can choose any of the facts, and these are available for different niches. So you can choose whatever you like, and you can include them in your content. And that's how the fact sheet feature works. So you don't have to go looking for new facts. You can simply choose from the huge list of facts which are already made available by the AI. Just choose the relevant ones and copy and paste them. And that is pretty much it about the video. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome, stay real.